Oh, there's Sunny. Sunny's at the bowl. This is day 2 of our rescue attempt since Sunny's been actually staying while we are in view of him. Sorry, the picture's not as clear, but this is as close as I can get without him running. I'll try to call his name. Sunny! There, I called his name. See if he'll eat. He's hungry, so he's deciding whether or not he should run or if he should stay and eat. By the size of him, the food is definitely working. Oh, here he goes. He's coming to the bowl. I guess he's decided that he's more hungry than he's scared, which is great. That's what we were hoping for. He eats a little bit and then he looks up. Eats a little bit and looks up. Probably wants to see if I'm going to be getting up or not. The other cats are watching him. Benjamin is outside on the deck with me. So is Miss Kitty, and so is Smokey. But they are watching him intently. Let's see if I can zoom in on Ben. Oh, there's Ben watching. All the cats have hung out with Sunny though. Sometimes they're together, other times they watch from a distance. We had some water out there too, but it froze. So we have to keep putting out fresh water every day. It's getting cold here and every morning now, so it'll start to freeze. All right, progress on our rescue.